Importing Clover inventory. Whether you're setting up your store for the first time or updating existing items in bulk, using a spreadsheet can save time and reduce manual entry errors. We'll cover how to prepare your spreadsheet, what fields are required, and how to upload it directly into Clover so your products are ready to sell. Let's walk through how to import inventory into your Clover POS system using a spreadsheet. To begin, log into your Clover dashboard via clover.com. Once signed in, select the Items tab on the left-hand side. Click on the provided link that says Template to import your items in bulk. This will download a CSV file which serves as a template that you'll use to add your inventory items. This template will include several tabs below to move between different sheets and sections like items, categories, tax rates, and modifier groups. In the Items tab, you'll find columns for item name, price, product code, SKU number, quantity, and more. Once we fill in all of our inventory details, we are ready for import. Once again, we go back to our items list. Click on the Import Completed Template button. Here you'll see the supported file formats and max size. Click Choose File, select File, Open, and click Save to complete. You will now see your list of items within your Clover inventory list. That's all there is to it. Thank you very much for watching.